In the market for a new home? How about a town instead? Richard Davies has more on a small community in the New Jersey countryside that's for sale, complete with its own post office.
Glasser, New Jersey. It's on the map, it has its own zip code, and it's for sale. The price around $380,000, which includes the post office, 3 houses, and an inn.
The town of Glasser would be a population center within the borough of Hopatcong. And we're basically talking about the post office and the people that pick up their mail here.
To hear the local realtor talk about it, you'd think there was an honest-to-goodness town for sale.
It's a fun thing for people to think about owning their own town. You can't really name yourself as a full mayor, but if you want to call yourself the honorary mayor, who's going to complain?
But is it really a town?
It's the post office, it's not a town.
It's really not a town, it's really a post office that they're selling, and, you know, a couple of buildings that go along with it.
Town or no town, this dock and a few buildings around here are kind of a magnet for local folks, and some people are concerned that a new owner may mean changes that they don't want to see.
I hate to see it go if it does. It's like an anachronism having a post office that's unique, and just the whole location being on the lake here.
One of the people who makes this place more than just a collection of buildings is its postmaster. All kinds of people come in to collect the mail and talk about the big sale and whether it'll change things around here.
Right on the lake, I have people coming for their mail by boat. I have people coming with ski-mobiles, on skis when there's snow.
Glasser may have seen better days when vaudeville stars played at the local inn, but most folks around here don't mind living in a backwater, and if anyone has any big ideas about changing it all, they could make some angry noises. Richard Davies, CNN, Glasser, New Jersey.
That's our report. I'm Lynn Vaughn. Around the world every half hour, this is Headline News.